our fish. Yeah, the amazing MIG. Thank you so much. Happiness and love to everyone in the chat. Thank you so much, the amazing MIG. And Stephen said when weather changes, I always get sick. Winter changing to spring now, so I am full of mucus brain. Oh, so sorry about that. Yeah, Amos said, I believe we are connected. Okay, that is very good. Amos, keep healthy everyone from Amazing MIG. Thank you so much. Ahmad Swepa said, a great way to preserve fish. Yes. Once it is properly dried, dry very well, as naturally like this, it can stay for months without spoiling, without getting spoiled. Yes, thank you so much, Amazing MIG. Say, great grilling. Yeah. So once you dry your fish this way, once properly dry, it can stay for months without getting spoiled. So this is our natural way of preserving fish. No oven, and no refrigerator. Yes. Just once it's dry, just package it and keep it in a cool, dry place. Yeah, Ahmad is saying hi to Steven. Ahmad is saying hi to Steven. Thank you so much, the Ahmad sweatpants. Yeah. So I'm waiting for her to grind the account for me. Yes. Amos Sweper says smoking meat works as well. Yes. And also, yes, this is how we preserve our meat too. Yes. Our meat, this is how we preserve it too. You can smoke your meat, especially bush meat. Bush meat, you can see. Can you see it very well? Good evening. Bush meat, those days our parents used to go to the bush to hunters, call them hunters, when they catch animals, or we smoke it like this, we dry it. Yes. So this is a natural way to preserve meat and fish. Yes. Even shrimps, you can smoke them, you can dry them like this. And even crayfish too, they do fry it. Although the crayfish on the fry it to dry it. It's still a way of using fire to dry it. Okay, yes. Yeah, thank you so much, Ahmad. Ahmad, let me give you some to taste. Those fish look tasty. Thank you so much. So these are different species of the fish. Can you see it? Stevie say I can't smoke meat, only tobacco. These are different species of. So she's turning them. Ahmad is laughing. Ahmad is laughing. So this is our local oven using charcoal, using firewood. I mean, yes. Hey, Juba Bruce, thank you so much for coming. Juba Bruce, how are you doing? Juba Bruce, thank you so much for the thumb up. I appreciate. Hello, blessing to each and everyone in the house. Thank you so much, Juba Bruce. Thank you so much, Juba Bruce. I